What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be working on the NC, and found a leak, and it's leaking back here under the driver's seat. You can see this portion's got wet, and it's literally dripping. It's so wet. I noticed the other day that I had just a little bit of water spots here, and then it was leaking here, and then previously I had reached down and it was damp on the front here, but the water is collecting back here. Now Tyler did clean the drain holes in the back, these here on both sides, so I don't think that's the problem because we put a hose on it and it goes out. But I did some research and it says that the scuttle grommet, which is the grommet that holds this screw in, the windshield wiper cowl in the front, this screw, there's a grommet down there that has a plastic seal, and that seal gets so brittle and then it just starts dripping down. So I'm going to be RTBing the bottom of that seal on both sides just to go ahead and get it done and prevent passenger side from leaking. I didn't see any leaks on that side at this moment, but if it's a pretty common leak from what I'm reading, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've already popped off the covers just using a pick, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the screw out on each side, and then we'll have to remove the windshield wipers, and I'll show you how to do that. So it's a 14mm nut. Take that off. And just lift the wiper up and wiggle, and then it'll pop right off. Okay, now we're gonna open the hood, and then we can expose our other windshield wiper. Same thing, kind of lift it, and then boom. There's a small clip like right here, you just kind of lift up, and then it unbolts. And then it looks like it's the same on this side. You hear it kind of click like that. Now there is a slit, and I kind of just pull this off to get it out of the way. And your windshield wiper hose is right here, and there's a joiner right here in the middle. I'm gonna get a screwdriver to pop it up, and then we'll go ahead and take that apart. Okay, just kind of pop it up like that, and then you'll see the joiner. And then kind of just pull it and pop it out. This one is loose. Kind of just snake it out like that. So this is our little problem area. You can see that the gasket is so brittle. Look at it just flake off. So that's what we need to do. We're going to do this on both sides. Now to get this side out, kind of just pull out, and voila! Whoop. And we're stuck on the wiper line, but that's okay. I'm just gonna leave it right here. And this is our other one, which looks like it's about to fall apart as well, so it's a good thing we're gonna do both sides. I had bought this sealant to fix the back window, but I'm actually gonna use this as well to do the scuttle grommet. I think it'll work out really good. It's waterproof, it's for marine, so you know it can withstand water. So this is what we're gonna use. So I had Tyler pour water right here in this area to see if it leaked, and it was dripping right here. I could see it come down poop, right here, and so that definitely is one of our problems. Not sure if it's causing this. I mean, I am slightly on an incline going this way, so I'm not sure why it would be flooding back here, but I don't know if this is a separate issue or if it just somehow flowed back here, but this definitely is a culprit. So now we're gonna attempt to remove this without breaking it, hopefully. I think there's a clip on this side. Okay, so I can't seem to get this out, but I can get it this far. So what I'm gonna do is clean up around this area, and then I'm just gonna squeeze into the all the way at the bottom and around, and then I'm gonna push it in and then put some around the edges as well to make a big puddle basically, so just to make sure it's not gonna leak again. So I'm gonna go get a rag and clean all this up. Just want to make sure things can bond properly. Make sure it dries before you put any sealant on. While this side is drying, we're going to do the other side. Alright, so we got our sealant. We're going to put some on this so it seals when it goes in. And then around the hole. Pop it in, spread this around. So this one, the clip broke on me, so it's a little up on one side, so I kind of just filled it in with sealant. We'll see how it goes. If it leaks, I'll probably have to buy another one. This one popped in, I fixed the thing a little bit, and I just kind of put a bunch around it, so hopefully it stays. It's not the best job, but as long as it doesn't leak.